Welcome to our step-by-step guide on deleting your Trello account. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of permanently removing your Trello account, whether you're transitioning to a different platform or simply looking to streamline your online presence. We'll cover the necessary steps, ensuring you understand the implications and actions needed to securely delete your account while preserving any essential information. Go to Settings. Click on Manage or Delete your Atlassian account. Click on Account Preferences. Click on Delete your account. Before you delete your account, you should know that your account will be deactive for 14 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. You can reactivate it before 14 days.